Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Halo on mobile. Playing your favorite Halo titles on the go is now easier than ever, bringing the epic battles and iconic characters right to your fingertips. We will explore the simple steps to get you started, ensuring you can enjoy a high-quality gaming experience without needing a dedicated console. Get ready to dive into the Halo universe from almost anywhere with just a few easy preparations. To begin your mobile Halo adventure, you will first need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This subscription unlocks a vast library of games, including many Halo titles, for cloud streaming. Next, simply navigate to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website in your mobile browser or download the Xbox Game Pass application. For the best experience, connect a compatible Bluetooth controller, as touch controls are not always ideal for fast-paced shooters like Halo. For a truly smooth and enjoyable Halo experience on your mobile device, optimizing your setup is key. A robust internet connection, ideally a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, will minimize latency and ensure crisp visuals. Make sure your device is fully charged or plugged in, as streaming can consume significant power. Experiment with the in-game settings to find the perfect balance between performance and visual fidelity, tailoring the experience to your specific device and play style. With Xbox Cloud Gaming, you gain access to a wide array of Halo titles, including the latest installments like Halo Infinite. You are not playing a stripped-down mobile version. These are the full, rich console experiences delivered directly to your phone or tablet. This incredible flexibility means you can jump into a match during a commute, on a lunch break, or from the comfort of your couch. It is an easy and powerful way to keep the fight going, wherever you are.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.